feel like I've made an adjustment on this. I loosened the two wood screws so that this spring pulls it hard against the body. Now I'm going to check my pickup height here. So I'm just going to connect for now. I'm just going to try the high E and the low E. Da da da. Ooh, what a mess. Ooh, what a mess. Ooh. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay. We're looking for 1/16 of an inch. One 1/16 or 2/32 is 0.0625. 0.060 right in there. So let's see how we did. No, these are pretty low. I might have to put another piece of foam in. Let's quadruple check that. Well, here are the specs for the string. 1/16 from the string to the pickup. You measure under the string with the string fretted at the last fret, and this is pretty low. I'm going to try to loosen this and see if it comes up. Something tells me I'm going to need another piece of foam under there. Get it to be 1/16 of an inch. A little low. It's about 10 thousandths too low. That's even lower. Well, I'll try it, and I think I need one more piece of foam. Yeah, this is really loose in here now. So, okay. I'm gonna have to cut another piece of foam, put it under there. Could be worse. Oops. Where did that screw go? Somewhere. We stuck to the pickup somewhere. There it is. Wondering where your screws are. They probably stuck to the pickup like the magnetic force. Okay, here's the foam that I have. It's just regular upholstery foam, and I think I need one more piece of this, if I can find it. If not, I may have to make something out of the foam that I do have. So I cut the foam into 6 pieces, so now I can triple it up, like so. And that should give me the tension that I want under the pickup, like so. Might be too much. But I think it's going to work pretty well. I suppose someone could check the feedback to see if this method of mounting a pickup introduces more squeal than you would get if you used a ring and a spring. I don't really know about that. Maybe you guys can write that in the comments. All right, where are we here? Wait. Pickup seems to be pretty level. I'll take the low E, bring it up into our overlord of music. See, it's too high, but we can screw it down. And here's our high E. Is touching. Oh, go down something like that. Same here. Check. I'm at 62. That's very nice. That's 70, so that's a little bit higher. Take this down just a little bit. Bring this back up a little bit. Check it again. Now I should be fretting this. That's right. Not 60. It's 60 thousandths. 60. I'm going to take this side down just a little bit more. Oops. 1/16. 1/16 is 62.5 thousandths, I believe. Because an eighth is 120. So, or 0.125. Okay, I like that. Okay, I'm going to take the tape off the fingerboard. I'm entirely satisfied that I have this adjusted right, but we'll see. Off comes the tape. Well, I think somebody told me you can put a strip of tape along the side, and you can, if you put a strip down on either side, you can pull all of these off really quick. I'm not sure if I'm remembering that right. Maybe that's true. I also remember that you can pull, so this tape actually has quite an adhesion. If you have like a rosewood fingerboard, it's a good idea to put a little oil on it. A tiny drop of lemon oil or linseed oil, which I think is what Dave does, so that the tape won't pull some of the grain up. This is almost all off now, so big deal. Oh, the other thing that Roscoe was big on, you got to make sure that you get fresh masking tape, not masking tape that's sat on the shelf for 5 years, because then it won't pull off, it won't work right. It doesn't pull off right, it doesn't adhere right. This is probably pretty old stuff, but it seems to be working okay. Okay, that's good. I think it needs a little bit of a clean with the spray. Eventually, I will replace the strings because I have run sandpaper past them and used them to do things, and that ain't good. But for now, I'm going to continue setting my guitar up with these Addarios. Addario? How do you say it? Oh, Addario. And then when I get the guitar all set up nice, I'll go ahead and put new strings on. All right, that's probably good enough to play and try out now. Just see, measure it one more time. Pretty good. Yep. Okay.